Hey Vanessa, I wanted to explain to you a little bit about inputting attendance because this is something that will be really helpful for you to help me out with when you get a chance. So I'll do it for this week, but hopefully for next you can help me. So basically what we have here is we have our attendance sheets. So math and SLA are math and Spanish language arts, which are the subjects that I'm covering. So we do have two different classes. We have Navarro and De Pieri, and we'll be logging both of them. So I just logged De Pieri in Elluminate. So I'll show you how to do Navarro's class. So you'll click on this tab. You'll see all the students' names, and then you'll go over to Elluminate, and then I think that's Escritura B is where I'm going to put that because I just did Escritura A. So I'll click that class. I already made the assignment, but I'll show you how to do that really quick. So for a short name, I would put asistencia and then the dates. Description, the first one I put basically for each class, I'm going to give them 12 points in total for attendance. So they attend 4 classes each week. Each one is worth 3 points. Then for category, I did classwork. For assigned dates, I did the dates that I am doing it for, which is the 20th, and then due date would be the 24th of April. And then for assessment, I didn't do anything there. Possible points, I put 12. Possible score, I put 12. Extra credit, no. Active, yes. And then I would just, it says also save too. So since I had to do the same assignment for both Escritura A y B, I just put A. Or when I was in A, I put B. So that's why I already have one for this grade book. Okay, so then when I go here, I'll see this column that says Asistencia. And now I just go through an input. So I open both tabs at the same time. And I just kind of go down. And actually, let me switch this so it's a little more visible. Okay, so I want to be able to see the student's name. And then here I have it counted up. So what I did is I put the date for each one, 420, 421, 423, 424, because we don't meet on Wednesdays. And then I put the total here on the sidebar. So this kind of helps me. So I'm just multiplying the number by 3. So for example, if a student comes one day, then their total will be 3. If they come every day, their total would be 12. So now I'm just going to go down and input. So I see that Alexander hasn't come at all. Let me move this over a little more. Okay, so he gets a 0. Valeria has come once. She gets 3. Colton, 0. Santiago, 3. So it's just like that. And then at the bottom, you'll just see that once you get all the way down here, then you've completed it and it saves for you automatically. All right, so hopefully that was informative, and let's touch base about some of the other assignments. Thank you.